Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power and connection basics because most black screens are simple. First, press the TV's front power button. Listen for noises or LED changes so you know the set is responding. Once done, unplug and replug the power cord and test the outlet with a lamp to rule out wall issues. Make sure the TV input matches the connected device. Reseat HDMI or AV cables firmly. If a sound plays but no picture, you've isolated a signal or panel problem to handle next. Now you verify signal and software. Switch to a different HDMI port and a different device. This tells you if the TV or source is at fault. Next, access the TV menu using the TV's onboard buttons. Check brightness, backlight, and picture mode because misset options can appear as black screen. If menus are inaccessible, do a full power cycle. Unplug for 1 minute and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to discharge caps. Reconnect and observe any boot or diagnostic lights. Finish with focused hardware tests and a clear fallback plan. You can detect backlight failure by shining a bright flashlight at an angle. If you see faint images, the panel is fine but backlight or inverter is dead. If you're comfortable, remove the back cover and visually check for burnt components or swollen capacitors. Do this only when unplugged and discharged. If the problem persists, note which inputs and steps you tried. Then contact a qualified repair shop or the manufacturer with that information to speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.